learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是练習小 Joseph Lin. And again, 恭喜恭喜 congratulations.
恭喜恭喜
恭喜恭喜。
还要恭喜發財。
Yeah, get rich, right? Okay. But we're teaching you 恭喜 because, of course, Chinese New Year is next month. But there are other situations where you want to congratulate someone. For instance, here in Taiwan, which is really cool. 我觉得台湾有些东西真的是世界蛮独特的哦，就是比如说拿发票，每2个月都还是可以这个兑奖中奖哦。
对啊，可是我都对不到。
Here in Taiwan, when you go shop, when you go to a restaurant, when you shop at a supermarket, you have to get the unified receipt, okay? 一定要拿发票 because every 2 months, they actually have a lucky draw and you could win millions and millions of NT. 是几百万的台币在送的耶。OK, 所以这个发票怎么说呢？ A unified receipt. 发票 OK, actually that's just a receipt. 发票不是统一发票，任何发票就是发票。Alright, and then if you get your receipt and you won, that means 中奖了 OK, I got the jackpot. 中奖了 I won.
抽奖
哇，你好激动哦。抽奖感觉是在抽奖哎，可是是已经中了，对不对？
对啊，抽奖。
Okay, it's not just a lucky draw. It means I got it. I won. 中了哈。
对
啊。抽奖。
那海陆腔抽奖。
抽奖。Okay, that's a different dialect of saying I won. All right. And some people just have all the luck. 很多时候呢，有些人就比较喝运呐，哈，比较运气好一点。You're so lucky, okay? Or you wish someone to have luck, okay? 其实我们也会祝大家幸运哦，幸运得奖这样子。
对，好运。
好运 ，OK， 这跟台语就很像啦，喝运嘛。
对呀。
好运 ，OK, that means having good luck. All right, let's make a sentence out of that phrase. 因为常常都会觉得身边的朋友比较好运哈，
常常抽奖都中。
对啊，或打牌都赢。OK， 所以那个你真好运 ，You are so lucky. How do you say that then?
懂好运。
哦，that means you 懂好运，
就
很好运。对 ，OK，that means you are very very lucky.
赶快跟我讲。
懂好运。
这样子我怎么会好运呢？你要说懂好运。
OK，懂好运。Let's review these phrases. All right, a receipt 发票。发票 and then to win 中奖。
抽奖
and then good luck 好运。
好运
and it's all about 恭喜恭喜，对不对？
恭喜
All right, again, don't forget to get your receipt, okay? You might be the next lucky one. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.